Welcome to reshaping, your renewable energy and sustainability platform. At reshaping, we believe in the power of clean, sustainable energy to transform the way we live and work. That's why we offer a range of solutions for businesses and homeowners looking to switch to renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, and water.
Welcome to reshaping, your go-to channel for all things renewable and sustainable. Today, we're diving into an electrifying topic that's buzzing in the financial and environmental world: the remarkable surge of Bitcoin and its potential synergy with renewable energy. Get ready to explore how the latest trends in cryptocurrency are intersecting with green energy initiatives in unexpected and innovative ways. The Bitcoin boom. 2023 has been a stellar year for Bitcoin, marking a significant milestone in its journey. Surpassing the $42,000 mark, Bitcoin has reached highs unseen since April 2022. This surge isn't just a random spike, it's fueled by a mix of factors that include growing optimism over potential interest rate cuts, the approval of Bitcoin ETFs, and increasing institutional engagement. Imagine a financial world where digital currencies are not just speculative assets, but key players in economic growth. But what does this mean for the renewable energy sector? Let's dive deeper into how this digital currency's remarkable journey might be more intertwined with green energy than we ever thought possible. Bitcoin and renewable energy, an unlikely pairing. The intersection of Bitcoin and renewable energy is where things get truly fascinating. Researchers have discovered that renewable energy projects, especially during their nascent stages, can actually profit from Bitcoin mining. This concept is particularly relevant for wind and solar farms in their pre-commercial phases, generating electricity, yet waiting to be grid integrated. Imagine harnessing the power of the sun and wind not just to light up homes, but to mine digital gold. Moreover, despite Bitcoin mining's reputation for high energy consumption, it might just have a silver lining. Studies suggest that this process could support the deployment of renewable energy projects, turning a potential environmental villain into a green ally. This paints a picture of a future where cryptocurrency mining contributes positively to our planet's health, aiding in the fight against climate change. The environmental debate and future possibilities. While the fusion of Bitcoin and renewable energy opens new horizons, it's not without its challenges. The environmental impact of Bitcoin, particularly its carbon footprint, has been a topic of intense debate. But as we peel back the layers, we see a complex scenario where Bitcoin's energy-intensive nature could actually drive innovation in renewable energy technologies. The key lies in transforming this challenge into an opportunity. By integrating Bitcoin mining operations with renewable energy sources, we can create a self-sustaining ecosystem that not only mitigates the environmental impact but also propels the growth of green energy solutions. This vision of Bitcoin not just as a financial asset, but as a catalyst for sustainable development is what makes this journey so thrilling. Conclusion. As we wrap up this electrifying exploration, it's clear that Bitcoin's journey in 2023 isn't just a story of financial highs. It's a narrative that intertwines with the renewable energy sector, offering new perspectives and opportunities for sustainable growth. In the ever-evolving world of technology and finance, the fusion of Bitcoin and renewable energy is a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of a greener future. Stay tuned to reshaping for more insights into the dynamic world of renewable energy and its fascinating intersections with other sectors. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content that sparks your curiosity and fuels your passion for a sustainable tomorrow.
Thank you for choosing reshaping as your go-to source for all things renewable energy and sustainability. With our YouTube channel, we explore the latest developments and innovations in the field, including hydrogen fuel cells and the use of AI and machine learning to optimize energy consumption. If you're ready to take the next step towards a cleaner, more sustainable future, visit us at reshaping and discover the many ways we can help you transition to renewable energy. Thank you for watching and subscribing. Stay up to date on all the latest news and insights by subscribing today.